All right, hey, this is Hans, and this is...
Miles.
And this is... It's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen, the show where we show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from...
Taiwan!
That's right, this is a box of dry noodles from Little Couples, Taiwan. Let's see what's inside, what they sent. Alright, so the first time I heard about Little Couples in Taiwan was in Taiwan. I saw them in a trade show a few years ago, and they seemed really nice, and they sent me samples, and they've continuously sent me stuff when they've had something new come out. So that's what this is. So let's see what we got here. Oh, rad! It's a hat.
A hat?
A hat.
What's a hat?
And it fits. Thank you very much. I always like a new hat. So this is a cool red hat. So it looks like there's a couple different varieties in here, but this one is one that they told me they were going to send. This is Little Couples Fish Head Casserole Dry Noodles. Yeah, I've never heard of this before. I've had fish head curry, but fish head casserole. I think I've had like tuna noodle casserole. We'll see. It sounds interesting. I'm up for trying it. And then we've got this chicken rice flavored dry noodle. They sent some information along with it, mentioning, let's see, our world's first and exclusively new flavored chicken rice flavored dry noodles. At present, in the noodle industry, there is no noodle that can develop this flavor. We are the first and the only one. Chicken rice is a famous historical cultural delicacy that represents our Chiayi city in Taiwan. Many foreign tourists will come to Chiayi to taste it. We, Little Couples Food Enterprise Company Limited, have developed it into an innovative noodle flavor. We and the 80-year-old local brand Spraying of Water Chicken Food and the local well-known 5-star brand Nice Prince Hotel have joined to innovate this flavor and also cooperate to launch this 5-star level delicacy. Wow, that's pretty impressive. I'm really looking forward to trying this. Thanks. All right, well, cool. Thank you guys very much for sending these over. If you want to find out more, look up Little Couples Dry Noodle on the internets. This has been Hans, and this has been...
Mimi.
And this has been...
Miles.
Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles.
Every day.
Have a good one.